Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, working on the Silverado today. I'll show you what I'm working on. So, if you drive one of these Silverados, more than likely, you drive around listening to this all day long. This thing's squeaking, moving, making a bunch of racket. I'll show you how to fix it real quick. I'll show you what's wrong with it real fast. Alright, so what you have is you have 3 of these behind the back seat. What happens over time, a couple of years, they end up breaking in half. When they break in half, they sit behind the back seat. But they end up breaking in half, and you'll end up finding them down here, down underneath the seat. And when they do that, the seat just flop around and squeak and all kinds of crap. You end up throwing some socks or some towels or whatever. You end up throwing a bunch of crap back there to stop it. But I'll show you how to replace them. And yeah, you're gonna need 3 of them. But really, it's pretty simple to do. All you're gonna need is an 18mm. Okay, and you're gonna have to just unbolt the seat. Okay, you got a bolt here or a nut here, a nut in the back. Okay, you're gonna have one over here, one over there, one over there, and one over there. So it's about 6. I think it's 6. Unbolt it, and then I'm gonna lift the seat out and replace them. So yeah, see, here's a broken piece right here. What I'm using is a 3/8 18. It's a mid length. It's pretty much perfect. This Milwaukee ratchet thing works pretty damn good. Once you get all those out, what you're gonna do is just lift the seat out. See the guides right here? See, that one's missing. All you gotta do, they just hook in here. This is where your noise is coming from all this play right here when it hooks down in there. I guess this was what was trying to stop all the rattling, was this CD case. Get your new one. You can see how they're got these indents right here. All you gotta do is just slide it up in there. Okay, and they lock right in. And you got another one right there. Another one right there in the back. Place those 3, and then just lift the seat back on. Good to go.
just want to say, if this video was good, the information was good, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for me. I really appreciate you guys always come back and check out my videos. Again, I'll leave the parts, a link down in the description box for the parts. And I really appreciate the support. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.